get great views of the back of the hospital. It's about 7 doors, go across the back of the ferry. Now, towards the back will be quiet.
Got the trolley's down to Niagara on the lake.
Yeah.
Lovely. Very, very well kept.
Yeah, nice little village around there as well.
We went the long way round. Instead of going down the main road.
Se siente que caminan sobre la mano. Se siente como un insecto caminando sobre la mano. Como una cucaracha.
It's like a scene from Dallas. It's clever, that, isn't it?
Uy, no, pero no me estoy confiando.
No, which I've got to get tickets.
Algunos pican un poco duros.
It was very,
Se siente cosquillas en toda la mano.
Yeah, I got one of mine.
Pero se siente como si me picaran. Da sensación como si me picaran.
People selling them outside
Ah, mierda, me están metiendo algo por las uñas.
be up in the 5 seasons.
Oh yeah, you're up in the post, mate.
They're not doing anything. They're just walking around.
Come for the cleaning. Come on, manicure, pedicure. Come on in.
So, are they doing anything or just... Oh, really? Perfect.
Come on, pull trigger check. Oh, it's weird.
Let's see how long it lasts.
It's your hand in.
Did a good job on mine.
They're coming in. They're swarming.
You just pick it out or you
Se comen toda la piel muerta de tus dedos. ¿Te meten las uñas, güey? ¿Te meten las uñas? Nice to meet you. Cheers. Nice to meet you.
God, you have so many on your hands. Okay.
Is it feeling a little tickly?
It's like, yeah, like
Are they actually cleaning?
I don't know, but stick your hand in, it's weird. It's
Yeah,
so weird.
they're
Yeah, they just come, they know somehow.
No, they don't like me.
He'll come. He's
They'll
gonna
come, don't worry.
He's like Greek, forget it.
I got a whole family on me.
maybe put
They're
the-
trying to get back at you for eating them so many of them over the years. That's why.
Oh, here
Are
comes
they
one.
delicious? No? He says that he's
Is
trying
that
to
weird?
disappoint you.
Oh,
It's okay,
that's feeling.
I just doused it with soy sauce and I'll cure it.
So what are they technically doing now that my head's in here and they're on me?
Picking dead skin and bacteria.
Have you heard of AIDS?
Yeah, stuff.
Excellent. Excellent to you. Not this guy.
Oh, right under my nail. No, not
They're
my
gonna be here
nail.
forever for a while, eh? Taking my dead skin.
Depends. Normally they'll come for your hands and people with your hands. And I've only a scuba dive with them, but they'll always you won't do on your wetsuit sort of thing. So it's
Oh, no,
nice to
there's
tell.
two.
Are they down pretty deep? Probably 30 meters.
Just stick your hand in, it's pretty cool.
Really?
Oh, you don't like fish, though, right? You'll fight a shark, but you won't fish.
Exactly, I know what it's all about.
No.
How do you get them off of you?
You're supposed to.
They won't come with you? What happened if you want them?
People have dropped their phones in here.
Do they come up clean?
Yes. Right here. These are like real shrimp. Oh my God! Why are they clinging to you? Right here.
They're just eating my dead skin.
This way. They'll come
Or
to
they're
you.
just
They'll come
eating
to
me.
you.
He comes back, he's gonna phone back.
Can I put my
I
feet
swear I
in?
had skin on this.
Doesn't it feel weird under your nails?
Yeah, I'm a pot, eh?
Cleaner
I
shrimp.
haven't got this much attention since I was dating.
I said, can I put my feet in? How cute is that? Look at you little cute boys. They don't look like shrimp. No, they're not the shrimp you eat, right? They're called cleaner shrimp. Yeah, they're using their little claw things.
Pretty light.
Ooh, I'm starting to feel them pricking at me.
I love the little clippers. Where are these guys from?
It's starting to
All
tickle.
over the world, these guys. Different species all over the world, mainly coral reef areas.
Yeah.
So near to the equator.
Yeah.
These guys, I think, are more.
Everybody does hand once every 3 years.
Yeah.
Give them a break. We've all shaken that hand today.
I feel like 20 of them.
I'm going to be off. My
What are
hand,
they doing?
Look, once they see
my
what
hands are
they
so
own,
soft.
Like I don't mean here, but I mean in the natural habitat.
Natural habitat
Don't
will
know
be
what you're
fish,
waiting for?
and there will be
Think we gotta go to the aquarium. You will think we.
come stick your hand in. Oh yeah, don't stick your hand in.
like some more skulls up here. Real fish over there.
All right, I'm done.
Let's go check out the things that will actually eat us.
So how will you feed
weird.
these guys?
We feed them smaller, sometimes literally like fish flakes and
Yeah.
proteins.
Yeah.
Look at the red stripe on
Sometimes
the
smaller sea monkeys or like brine shrimp.
Yeah, yeah.
Ray, come here.
Yeah, they'll get a meal every couple of days.
Hey, Gary, put your hand in there.
Why? What did I do?
You just reach.
It's unbelievable what's
Does it feel
under
like
the sea.
anything?
Yeah, you can.
People know what's down there.
Well, we go,
We're checking
we
you out.
go scuba diving. Whenever I go snorkeling in Hawaii,
Good- good
it's a
little grips.
beautiful, beautiful, unbelievable colored fish. Really
Yeah, you can kind of feel it
living
picking at
under
you.
the water. The colors that we don't even see on top of
Oh,
it
yeah.
in the lights,
yeah?
right?
They pick at you.
Neon. And look at this red here. I got it. You know, it's just crazy.
Do they just come on?
Beautiful.
Yeah, not enough people know about it or appreciate it.
What about Ray? You're like
Not care
squared
about
down.
what you don't see.
Yeah, I guess.
It's the way for a lot of the ocean. Because of it, it's really
Yeah, they're trying to like dig at my skin.
trouble.
Really?
Space
Yeah.
extinction and
That's
what
right.
I'm gonna try it.
the
I
temperature's
trust you.
changing,
Yeah.
the animals is not
They just
there,
come right off.
fishing too much, turning quite acidic, too much
Oh no, this one's tickling
areas
me.
with no oxygen and huge now.
Oh my god.
It's,
So they like pick at you?
fisheries are going to collapse.
What do we do though?
Sharks are going to be extinct in the next 20 years.
Sharks, they say.
Be extinct in about 20 years.
Really?
I'd snap it, but I'm dropping
And
down the
yeah,
water.
that's all it.
Please don't do it.
Rise,
100% okay with that.
get too hot, get too acidic before that as well. It's nearly more plastic in the ocean.
What are they?
Oh, it's terrible, isn't it?
Scarlet.
Just terrible.
Oh my god, no, this one's coming out.